guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another new video. So in this video we're gonna create something cool. Alright, so we're gonna create a AI Majestic burning effect. Alright, so I have my Notion here. Let's go to my Notion. Okay, this is something very cool. So I have this image prompt. Okay, and here you can see an animal word here. In this section you have to remove and replace your animal whatever you like it can be a lion, it can be an elephant, it can be a dog, it can be anything, whatever you like. Alright, I have copied this image prompt and I'll go to my Google Gemini, paste this prompt, create image. Before submitting the prompt, I am gonna tweak my prompt a little bit, like I'm gonna enter which animal. Alright, so let me go with panda. Alright, and submit, and Google Gemini will create your image. Go to video, upload your image and enter your video prompt. Okay, our video is ready. Okay, I think it's fine. For me it is fine. If you're not satisfied, then you can retry. But I'm fine with this result, so I'll click download. So that's how you can create a AI Majestic burning effect with your chosen animal, guys. Right, so that's it, guys. If you're watching until the very end, please don't forget to drop a yellow heart or yellow star or comment I have watched till the very end, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys.